Hey guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today, right now, is the DenTek Temparin Max. Now this is kind of interesting. Okay, what this is for is it's for if you've, say, lost a filling or a cap in your tooth. It actually repairs that, and what you got to do, what you got to remember is it repairs it only temporarily. It's only for if you're going to, if you're going to see your doctor or your dentist, I should say, within 48 hours of you using this. Say you had an accident or something, or something happened, you're eating or something, and your filling popped out, or your cap. You can get this stuff and put it in, and it will repair it. It's like a putty. See if you can see the end of there. And there's only a little bit that comes in this little jar here. It's really small, you see. Well, I don't know if you can see it. Wait, hold on. But they only give you a little tiny bit. You only need a little. See? That's how much pretty much comes in there. And you take a little bit like this, and you would roll this with your fingers into like a little ball, and on the tooth that has the problem. But first you rinse out your mouth really good, and that area, and dampen it with a cotton swab or something like that. And then you roll this into a ball and you push this onto your tooth, and you push it down, and then you bite down on this for a few minutes and hold it there to make a kind of like a mold of your tooth. This sets in to that spot. When you release there, you'll have like a little indentation, little packed little piece inside where that hole is in your tooth. You can wipe off any excess that's around the edges of your teeth. And once this is in there, you kind of bite down and like kind of grind your teeth around in a small motion, just to make room for the rest of the tooth that's supposed to fit on top of that tooth, so it's like a firm fit. You have to let it sit and don't eat anything after. It gets hard in there fairly quickly, but you got to avoid eating anything for about 2 to 3 hours. Tried this, I did it. It took about 3 to 4 about three tries, to actually get it right. It's not real straightforward. A lot of times I put it in there and it would not stick to my tooth for some reason. I didn't know if I was doing it wrong or what, but finally I got it to stick, and then it fell out. So I needed to try it a third time, and I finally got it to work. I got it to stick in there and do what it's supposed to do. But it was a hassle, and I really didn't like doing it, but I had a filling that fell out, and I needed some protection for that, so it is what it is. But this was not that easy to deal with. But I went through it, and after I finally got it in there, I guess it was okay. I didn't get the shape of my tooth correct, like perfect to where I couldn't feel it, like when you're at the dentist, they make it so your bite is pretty, solid and everything. You don't really feel it in there. But it didn't work like that for me. So it was a little hard to deal with. in my opinion. I don't know. If I lost another cap or something like that, or a filling, I would still probably do it again, because you really don't have a choice unless you're going to the dentist that day. But I hate having to use it. But it is what it is. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. It is what it is. Okay. I guess the downside of it is that it took me 3 tries to actually get it to work. So it's not really straightforward, and if you've never used it before, you're probably going to have to do some trial and error, but you'll get it. Okay. And don't use it on any kid that's younger than 5. Okay. All right. Well, that's the DenTek Temparin Maximum. Okay, the Temparin Max, and it's for repairing of lost fillings and loose caps. Okay. Hope you guys use this information, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.